Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Rohan. He was known for his lack of motivation and habit of delaying important tasks. Despite constant advice from his family and friends, Rohan couldn't grasp the importance of seizing opportunities. One day, a wise old man named Mr. Gupta arrived in the village. Renowned for his wisdom and ability to help others, he soon caught Rohan's attention. Curiosity stirred within Rohan, prompting him to seek guidance. With a respectful bow, Rohan approached Mr. Gupta, who sat beneath a large banyan tree. "I've heard of your wisdom, sir. Can you help me make the most of my life?" Rohan asked earnestly. Mr. Gupta smiled knowingly and pulled out an hourglass. Handing it to Rohan, he said, "This hourglass represents the moments of your life. Every grain of sand that falls symbolizes a missed opportunity. Every time you delay or neglect what's important, it slips away forever." Rohan held the hourglass, feeling the weight of its meaning. The old man continued, "Each moment is valuable, and once it's gone, you can never get it back. If you keep wasting your chances, you'll one day find yourself filled with regret." Struck by the wisdom of Mr. Gupta's words, Rohan asked, "How can I change? How can I start appreciating my moments and make the most of them?" Mr. Gupta's eyes twinkled. "Change begins with small, steady steps," he said. "Set goals, prioritize, and break them down into manageable tasks. Focus on completing them, one by one. Learn to direct your energy effectively, and you'll see success." Taking this advice to heart, Rohan began to alter his routine. He set clear goals, limited distractions, and concentrated on his tasks. Over time, his discipline bore fruit. Weeks turned into months, and Rohan saw incredible progress. He achieved what he had delayed for years and even discovered hidden talents. The villagers were amazed by his transformation. More than just productivity, Rohan learned the true essence of living was not only in achievements, but in nurturing relationships. He started to spend meaningful time with family and friends, appreciating their presence. He realized that these shared moments were invaluable. Years passed, and as Rohan grew older, the village honored him for his wisdom and accomplishments. He shared his journey with the younger generation, urging them to value every moment and live with purpose. Rohan's story became an inspiration, teaching people far and wide that the moments we have are not merely resources to use, but treasures to be cherished. And so, under the guidance of Mr. Gupta and Rohan's newfound wisdom, the village flourished, constantly reminded of the power each moment holds to shape our lives.